Have you ever wondered what sets the wealthiest individuals apart from the rest of us? It's not just their bank accounts, but a set of daily rituals that contribute to their success. Today, we're going to explore what makes them tick and how you can apply these secrets to your own life. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to achieve financial success is getting stuck in a rut. They work hard, but somehow their bank accounts don't reflect their efforts. Others might feel like they're not making progress fast enough, or that they're missing a key ingredient to reaching their financial goals. Sound familiar? Understanding the rituals of the wealthy can help you break free from these patterns and unlock the doors to financial freedom. For instance, have you ever felt like you're not making the most of your time? You're constantly busy, but you're not getting the results you want. The wealthy, on the other hand, have mastered the art of productivity. They prioritize their tasks, focus on high-leverage activities, and eliminate distractions. By adopting these habits, you can optimize your workflow, increase your output, and achieve more in less time. Similarly, building a network of like-minded individuals can be a game changer. The wealthy know that their social circle can make or break their success. They surround themselves with people who inspire, motivate, and support them. By doing the same, you can tap into a wealth of knowledge, resources, and opportunities that can help you get ahead. Another common obstacle is lack of clarity. Many people struggle to define their goals, let alone create a plan to achieve them. The wealthy, however, have a clear vision for their lives. They set specific, measurable, and achievable goals, and they take consistent action to make them a reality. By adopting this approach, you can gain clarity, direction, and momentum in your financial journey. Let's take a look at some specific rituals of the wealthy that can help you achieve financial success. One of the most important ones is their morning routine. Many successful people start their day with meditation, journaling, or exercise. This helps them set a positive tone, focus their minds, and boost their energy levels. For example, Tim Ferriss, the renowned entrepreneur and author, starts his day with a 10-minute meditation session. By incorporating a similar routine into your daily schedule, you can improve your mental clarity, increase your productivity, and make better decisions. Another key ritual is their investment strategy. The wealthy know that building wealth requires a long-term perspective and a diversified portfolio. They invest in assets that generate passive income, such as real estate, stocks, or businesses. By doing the same, you can create a steady stream of income, reduce your financial risk, and achieve financial independence. For instance, Mark Cuban, the billionaire owner of the Dallas Mavericks, invests heavily in real estate, which provides him with a steady source of passive income. Networking is another critical ritual of the wealthy. They know that their network is their net worth, and they prioritize building relationships with successful, like-minded individuals. By attending exclusive events, joining mastermind groups, or participating in high-level networking sessions, the wealthy can tap into a wealth of knowledge, resources, and opportunities. For example, Richard Branson, the founder of Virgin Group, is known for his extensive network of influential connections, which has helped him build a business empire. One surprising ritual that significantly impacts the success of the wealthy is their ability to practice gratitude. Despite their wealth, they understand that true happiness comes from appreciating what they already have, rather than constantly desiring more. By incorporating gratitude into their daily routine, the wealthy can cultivate a positive mindset, reduce stress, and attract more abundance into their lives. For instance, Oprah Winfrey, the media mogul, practices gratitude by writing down 3 things she's thankful for each day. By adopting this ritual, you can shift your focus from what's lacking to what you already have and attract more positivity into your life. Another lesser-known ritual is their commitment to continuous learning. The wealthy know that their education is never complete, and they allocate time and resources to upgrade their skills, knowledge, and mindset. By doing the same, you can stay ahead of the curve, adapt to changing circumstances, and make better decisions. For example, Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, spends at least an hour each day reading books on a wide range of topics, from science and technology to history and philosophy. By adopting a similar approach, you can expand your knowledge, gain new insights, and make more informed decisions. In conclusion, the wealthy's secret rituals are not just habits, but a way of life. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can overcome common challenges, achieve financial success, and live a more fulfilling life. So, which ritual did you find most surprising or inspiring? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve and learn more about the secrets of the wealthy, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights on wealth and success. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.